Guys, it's big mail day down here at the shop today. Today we have a fan favorite. This is one of the brands that has, I would say, a medium-sized but like very zealous following down here at the shop, and that is Deus Ex Machina, or Deuce if you're from Peterborough and don't speak Latin. So, Deus is big on flashy. It's just exciting stuff. Let's just get into it. This is the first thing I see when I open the box. It's so sick. Huge on embroidery in the last couple of years, Deus has been. It's so this one we got some Japanese traditional peonies on the front, and then look at that. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah, these are gonna go quick. Come on, the colors are so good. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, strong start. Oh, we got a Type 3. Can't go wrong. Deus actually, it's pretty rare that they, oh, okay. I was going to say it's pretty rare they do something plain. This is not plain. There's your Type 3. There's your embroidery. Look at that. Oh, God. Yeah, come on. Okay, we got another denim. This one's more like a railroad stripe. This is an exciting one. Nice little staple for you. It's a pretty heavy. I'd say this is probably like a 13, 14 ounce work shirt cut, just easy. Wear it open, white t-shirt, put some scuffs on it. And then here's your off-color matching pants. Work pants, no carpenter details, no bells, no whistles, just classic. And again, this is pretty heavy. I would say probably 13 to 14 ounces. So nice, durable stuff. That's exciting. Great cut. Slight taper to it, starts wide. Every year. So Deus comes out with another gnarly camo year after year. This one's in a beautiful, it looks like sort of a cotton nylon ripstop. Oh, that's awesome. Cargo pant, adjustments on the belt. Got it in this color. Got it in the opposite with the accent fabrics on the pockets. Oh, that's a cool one. Yeah, come on. Drawstring bottoms. Guys. Oh, this is an exciting one. Okay. Rounding it out. We got a roll. Oh, it's a flannel. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's gnarly. Okay. Patchwork flannel. Some embroidery to round it off. Look at that. Come on. Yeah, it's Deus. It's weird. It's funky. It's fun. But it's also just really well-made stuff. We got denim. We got camo. Got an insane jacket. Come on. Guys. Spring's shaping up to be a good one. Okay. This is going on the floor today. Swing by. Grab it while it's here. Small size runs. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Deus. Check it out.